Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up AI assistant to answer rental queries. So let's suppose I am running a business and I am receiving many queries on my WhatsApp. I was manually replying to all of the queries and this was consuming a lot of my time, so I've completely automated this process and I've created a WhatsApp chatbot which is going to automate all my WhatsApp conversation. Now with the help of this WhatsApp chatbot which I have created, with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, first I'm going to create this AI agent, and then whenever a user sends me a message, automatically the reply will be sent based on the query which they have sent to me. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this AI agent or a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then let me take you all to my screen. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can set up AI assistant to answer rental queries, and for this I have created an AI agent with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now we are going to test this once whether it is working fine or not. For that I am going to open my WhatsApp and I am going to send some query like, hey, I want to get some details about the properties. I am going to send this message and let's wait for the reply. And here it is asking me, I'd be happy to help. Could you please specify which property you are interested in? If you could provide the type, apartment or villa, and any specific detail you want to know, that would be great. So I am going to write apartment 3 BHK. So I'm going to send this message and let's wait whether it is asking me about the more information or it is sending me the properties or the options which it has in 3 BHK. So I'm going to send this message. And here it has sent me, here is a detailed option for a 3 BHK apartment. This is the property, the location, the rent is this much, and then the rest of the details. If you need more information or want to connect with agent, just let me know. So here I am going to write 3 BHK more apartment. I am going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. So here it has sent me more options. Here we have this luxury 3 BHK apartment which is in Riverside, and then we have this uptown one, and then over here you can see that we have also got the option of this view images and then view location. Now here while creating this AI agent, I have not attached the image and the location of these separate properties because I have many properties. So we are going to learn further how we can add the images and the location. But in this manner you can send the complete details of the property with the image, location and the rest of the details. So this is how this AI agent is replying to all my queries. And now if you want to learn how you can create this, then let's start creating this from the beginning. So here in this video, we are going to learn how we can set up an AI assistant to answer rental queries, and for this we are going to create an AI assistant with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. To visit Pabbly Chatflow, you simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser, and now after browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. But before we sign in, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly Chatflow. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 credits free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here it has taken me towards this all Pabbly apps page where I can see all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access Now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard. So you can see the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. To add your own WhatsApp number, you simply need to click on this add WhatsApp number. You can use this WhatsApp Connect to connect your WhatsApp with your Pabbly Chatflow account, or you can use a manual token to connect your WhatsApp with your Pabbly Chatflow account. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can connect your WhatsApp with your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you can check out the link given in the description. You can watch that video tutorial. Now on the left hand side where we can see all these options, All the features: inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, and get help. So we have created detailed video on all of these features. You can check out these videos on our YouTube channel in the playlist available by the name Pabbly Chatflow, or you can also check out the link given in the description. Now, to create an AI agent or an AI assistant, on the left hand side where I can see all these options, I am going to open this AI assistant. Here I have landed towards this AI assistant. I can see the total AI assistant, active AI assistants, and the inactive AI assistant. Now, to create a new AI assistant, you simply need to click on this Add AI Assistant. Let's open this. So here I have to name this assistant. So the name of this assistant is Setup AI Assistant to answer rental queries, and then I'm simply going to click on this Add AI Assistant. I have landed towards this page. And now we are going to start setting up this AI assistant. On the left hand side where you can see all these options, the first one is AI instructions. Now in this drop down you can see all the instructions we have. I'm going to select it as AI agent. And as soon as I select this instruction type, the instructions are automatically added. You can add instructions according to your choice, preference, and requirement over here in this box. Now, in the AI configuration, I am going to select this temperature. It is written, set how creative the AI's answer are. 0 means more focused, 1 means more creative. So as soon as we increase the temperature like from 0.5 to 6 to 7, the AI gives us more creative answers. So I'm going to keep it as 0.7, and then I'm going to select the AI to use as OpenAI. I'm going to select my model as GPT-4o Mini, and then I'm going to update the API key. Now here it is written, OpenAI uses API key for authentication. Kindly visit your OpenAI API key page to get the API that you need to enter here. I'm going to open this hyperlink. And it has taken me towards this API keys page. To create a new API token, you simply need to click on this create new secret key. First, you have to provide the key name. So let's say the key name is test. The project will be default project. The permissions will be all, and then you simply need to click on this create secret key. The new API token will be provided to you, which you need to copy and simply paste that over here. Now here I have already an existing connection. I'm going to enter my API key, and after entering this key, please make sure that you click on this connect. So if you do not click on this connect, the API key will not be saved and updated. So here we have added the API key. Now in the AI assistant settings, we have this header message. Now if you toggle this on and you want the header message, you can enter that, and same goes for this footer message. I am going to toggle off this header and the footer. Then we have the stop keywords. So it's written, enter keywords that users can type to stop the AI assistant. You can add multiple keywords. So let's suppose if I enter this stop, then the stop is the keyword with the help of which my AI assistant is automatically going to stop replying to the conversation. If you want, you can add more keywords. So then we have this retry attempt. Now I have put it as 1, which is default. Here it is written, specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond. Valid range is 1 to 10. So when the AI assistant fails to respond, here you can increase or decrease the retry attempt. I'm going to toggle off this. I do not want this retry attempt. And then finally we have this fallback message. So it is written, I'm here to assist with questions related to company information or support. If you have any question about a service or need assistance with something specific, feel free to ask. So this fallback message will be sent when the API is not responding. You can edit this fallback message according to your requirement. Now here we are done adding all the instructions. I'm going to go towards the knowledge source. In the knowledge source, I'm going to select it as upload file, and then I've already created a document. I'm going to open that for you. So this is the document which I have created. I have provided a knowledge base for the AI assistant of rental inquiries, the property category, apartment, flats, villas, houses, offices, workspaces, and then I have added the dummy details. So the apartment and the flat, I have provided some flat and the options, then the villa, and then the workspace and the office. Then I have provided the contact details, query pattern and AI response, and then I have provided how we are going to collect the information from this lead. then the synonym and variation handling, and then I've provided more option for 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK, like that. So here this is how I've created a complete detailed knowledge base which I'm going to upload to my AI agent. Now I have selected the knowledge source as upload file. I'm going to click on this cloud. Here I have already downloaded the knowledge base. I'm going to simply click on this open. I've created this knowledge base and I have uploaded this in TXT format. You can also upload this in PDF format. So file uploaded and proceeded successfully. And in this knowledge source, we have to do only this much. Now moving on towards the next step, we have this assistant interface. So you can enter your display heading name over here. So let's say the name is real estate, and then we are online and happy to assist you. So if you want to change this, you can do that. If you want to keep it as same, you can do that. Over here you can see under this heading we have this display. So if I enter that again, here you see that we got the same message. Then we have this initial message. If you want, you can add more. Hi there, how can I help you today? You can add 2 initial messages. You can enter that according to your preference. Now we have this display powered by Pabbly label. I want to keep this enabled. If you want to disable this, you can see if we disable, we cannot see that label. I'm going to keep it as enable. And then we have this footer text. So I have entered the privacy policy and the link to this privacy policy. You can enter according to your choice and preference. Again, we have this user first message. So if user send us I need help, my AI assistant is going to send the message. But more than this, if the user sends some other message like, hey, I want to get some details, I have some inquiries, even these messages are going to trigger my chatbot or my AI agent. Not only this, so we have this user initial first message. If you want, you can enter something else. Moving on towards the next option of styling. So here I've selected the light mode. You can select it as dark. I'm going to keep it as light. We have this assistant shape. So if you want to keep it as square, you can do that. Here we have this rounded square, so you can do that. I'm going to keep it as circle over here. You can see this. So if you want to change the assistant background color or the assistant text color, you can do that from these options. If you want to put the header profile picture, you can simply click on this cloud, and in the same way as we have uploaded the knowledge base, you can upload the profile picture and the profile picture for the assistant. So here if you want to change the background picture, we got one more option. You can simply click on this and then choose whatever picture you want to upload. I'm going to keep it as same. If you want, you can remove this and it will appear something like this. If you want to change the background picture, you can do this. I'm going to keep it this only. So this was the background picture which was previously, and I have shown you how you can upload that. So here we are done creating this AI agent. Now that you have created this, over here we have this embed option. So what you can do, you can embed this AI agent to your website. You simply have to copy this code to your website and your AI agent will be active there. So if someone suppose messages you from the website, they got the WhatsApp option and they message you, then your AI agent will start replying to all the queries. So you can embed this AI agent to your website. Then we have the start chat. So if someone click on the start chat, they will be redirected towards the chat, and if they click on the scan QR and if they scan the QR code, they will be redirected towards this particular chat. So this is how these features work. Now after that you have created this AI agent, please make sure that you toggle on this button. If you do not keep it on, the messages won't be sent. So we have to keep this AI agent active, and then we have to make sure that we save this. If we do not save this, all this setup will be lost. So here AI assistant saved successfully. Now there is a very important step which we need to follow. So if you want to activate this particular AI agent to a particular chat, what you have to do, you have to go towards the inbox. Let's open this, and then on the left hand side, let's suppose I want to activate this AI agent to this particular chat. So I'm going to click on this choose AI assistant. I'm going to toggle on this button, and then I'm going to select the AI assistant, set up AI assistant to answer rental queries. This was our AI agent which we have created, and I'm simply going to save this. So AI assistant enabled successfully. But enabling AI assistant to a particular chat separately will be a very time consuming task and also illogical. What you can do on the left hand side where you can see all these options, we are going to click on the settings and then go towards the inbox settings. Here I've landed towards this inbox settings. If I scroll down, I have this option of enable AI auto reply. So let's keep it disabled first so that I can show you how it works. So here we have disabled this. Now to enable this AI agent which we have created for contacts or some particular chats, what you can do, you have to simply toggle on this enable AI auto replies and then you have to select the contact list. Now I'm going to enable this for all the contacts, but if you have created a separate list, you can select that particular list and select your AI assistant from here. So here, let's suppose I'm going to select all the contacts and I'm going to enable this AI assistant to all the contacts. What you can also do, you can simply click on this add more rule. If you have created any list, you can select that list and then you can select another AI assistant like this. And that particular AI assistant will start working on that particular contact list which you have created and selected. So this is how you can assign the AI assistant to particular list or particular chats. We are going to test this AI agent which we have just created one last time. I want to get some villa options. I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. And here it has sent me this message. Sure, here are some villa options for you. 3 BHK garden villa, Green Valley, 4 BHK luxury beach side villa, 2 BHK cozy villa uptown, and then the 5 BHK, 3 BHK. It has provided us many details. So I'm going to write, I want to talk to the agent. I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. So here it is asking me, I can help with that. Could you please provide me with your name, contact information and any specific budget or location? This will help me connect you with the right agent. So I'm going to provide my name only. Let's see if it asks for the further details or not. So here you see thank you and it has sent me a custom message. Could you please provide the contact information? So as I have not sent the contact information, it is again asking me please provide the contact information and the budget and the preferred location. So this is how our AI agent is replying which we have just created. And now if you have any questions, you can comment down this video below. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbots, and I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. So thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.